My name is Vaughan Proctor. I'm a channel account manager at Netstock.
And I'm Wainwright, and I'm a channel account manager as well here at Netstock.
So Netstock is a demand planning application that fits onto BC or any Microsoft product. We will do demand planning, inventory optimization, supply planning, and even some capacity planning if required.
Actually, that's easy. So it's the connections that we make here with partners, with customers, and also our fellow ISVs. It's a warm and kind community. People are very willing to step up and help. And so when it comes to helping Dynamics customers, whether they be GP, BC, F&O, and also maybe even NAV or AX, it's an amazing community that helps us, and we feel as though that we can help others as well.
Yeah, I think I'd have to say the same as what Karen is saying, is just the camaraderie, the willingness to help each other, the willingness to work together. I mean, I've had plenty of conversations along with other ISVs where partners have come along and understood more about the business and then started connecting ISVs and businesses. So just like the way that the community helps each other and connects each other is really amazing, and that's really the best thing about this, yeah.